Dear viewers of Zawar Hussain YouTube channel, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zawar Hussain and today's video contains 20 sayings of Imam Ali about friends and companions. So watch this video and express your opinion in comments.
Number 21. The best of your brothers is the one who assists you financially in your time of need. Number 22. Many a brother has not been born to your mother. Number 23. The friend of an ignorant person is troubled and afflicted. Number 24. Accompany your brothers with kindness and cover their offenses with forgiveness. Number 25. Accompany the intelligent and you will benefit. Turn away from this world and you will be safe. Number 26. Accompany the intelligent, associate with the learned and overcome your vain desires. By this you will join the company of the exalted assembly. Number 27. Accompany the wise, associate with the forbearing and turn away from this world. You shall dwell in the garden of the abode. Number 28. Association with the wicked leads one to become evil. Just like the wind when it passes by a foul smell, it carries the stench. Number 29. Accompanying a fool is torment for the soul. Number 30. Accompanying a wise friend enlivens the soul. Number 31. The friend of a fool is in distress. Number 32. The friend of an ignorant person is exposed to harm. Number 33. Your friend is one who forbids you from evil, and your enemy is one who entices you to perform evil. Number 34. Association with the wicked leads one to have negative thoughts about the righteous. Number 35. You should accompany the one who is intelligent and devout, for surely he is the best of companions. Number 36. You should keep ties with brethren of purity, for they are an embellishment in times of ease and a sport in times of tribulation. Number 37. You should build a bond of brotherhood with the one who cautions and forbids you from doing evil, for verily he is aiding and guiding you. Number 38. One who is amiable towards people is loved by them. Number 39. The companionship in this world is short. Number 40. A friend is the closest of relations.